welcome to this Princess Diaries Mia inspired look. This has been a long time coming. I'm just taking my Sistar Cosmetics foundation and putting this all over my face for a nice and even complexion. Now the makeup look I am doing is after she gets her makeup done, or her makeover, whatever, it's the makeover. So don't expect like a super natural look like the one she wears throughout the entire movie pretty much. I'm doing the one where she gets the makeover. So I just want to keep that in mind, that if this isn't a wearable look for you, I'm sorry, but you can kind of grab some inspiration and maybe for the hairstyles, who knows. But anyways, I am making sure that my foundation is very well blended. Then I'm just going to pat it in with a damp beauty blender and just kind of grab all the areas that need the most attention, the areas that get smudged. I'm taking my time on this makeup tutorial because I've been looking over a lot of my other makeup tutorials, and I feel like lately I kind of just rush through the process and I forget that there are people out there that still want to see people do their makeup. I mean, I know that's a reason why TikTok and shorts are getting so popular these days, are because people like shorter, more cut to the chase type of makeup looks and everything. But I want to make sure that I do a blend of both so you guys are getting what you want in both aspects. So after I'm done putting concealer on, I'm just going to blend it out, obviously with my beauty blender, and kind of do some patting on the skin. This is to help get a really flawless look. And obviously she is a princess, so you want to look flawless. This is one of the easiest looks ever and super easy to recreate too, especially if you have most people do have all these items, like a basic schoolgirl skirt and a button up and all of that. So once I'm done doing my foundation, I do take my baking powder, and then while I bake a little bit, I do my eyebrows. I think I tried making my eyebrows as bushy as possible. Not bushy because clearly she waxes them or plucks them or something, but I just want to make them more thick than how I actually do it. So I kind of overextended the brow a bit. Obviously, I don't look anything like Anne Hathaway. I'm not a brunette. I have more like auburn ginger hair, so this isn't gonna look identical. I know a lot of people think that if I'm doing a tutorial, I magically will turn into the person, but that's not how it works. Me and her don't have the same we don't have even similar facial features. That was a tongue twister, like nothing. So this is just me doing her makeup. This isn't meant for me to transform into her. So I really liked the blue makeup look. So I'm just going to take a blue eyeshadow and place this all over my lid. It's kind of like a light frosty blue. This movie was filmed in the early 2000s, so that was a popular look back in the day. So we are going to do that. As you can see, I have a crown on my head. I was getting into the character. Then I'm taking a white eyeshadow and placing it underneath my brow bone areas. And this look is super easy if you just have all the right colors. You'll just need like a frosty blue, a white, and a navy. And you're going to want to put that white in the inner corner as well, just to kind of brighten up the area. I looked at a picture of her a million times, and it's so hard because they didn't really zoom into her face too much, but this is what I got. So you are going to want to take a brown. I know that's kind of strange, but I did notice a little bit of brown undertones in her eyes. So you just want to kind of blend out that brown, and we are going to, of course, take a blue here in a bit, but I think this is just to kind of make the colors blend into each other, kind of add more dimension and whatnot. So as you can see, I zoomed in here so you could get a better look at the eyes. I did want to wear a brown wig for this. Guys, I'm kind of over like doing celebrity looks and adding wigs. Not every time I'm gonna do that, because sometimes I want to do the hair tutorials, and if I don't have the right hair color, it is what it is. So I don't see too many people complain about it, so I think we're okay. As you could tell, I did use a little bit of that like grayish navy color, and then I'm taking the royal blue color from the palette and creating my eyeliner. So what I noticed is it looked like she had some dark blue rimmed around her eyes. She might have had a charcoal black, you never know, and then they might have added some blue eyeshadow, kind of give her that royal look, but there was definitely blue in there. I know I'm not crazy, so I don't really find this look too flattering on me, but it did look great on her. And can we talk about how Anne Hathaway hasn't aged a day? It's crazy. I mean, I know she's only in her 30s, so obviously she's not going to age, but she still looks like the exact same, like 20 years later. I don't know how long ago this movie was, 17 years later. Doesn't matter, but she is one of those like really graceful celebrities right now. So we are going to blend the eyeshadow, curl my lashes, and we're going to add mascara. We are not going to do falsies. I don't want to overdo these looks. So these looks were very simple, but they were done up with the eyes. But I feel like a mistake we make a lot is when we modernize these makeup looks, we add lashes and glitz and glam, when it was honestly just very simple and natural and kind of just eye-catching to natural beauty. I don't know. I've been finding myself wearing less and less falsies these days. I just don't like it anymore. Of course, when I want to have a glam moment, I'll do it, but I am not using falsies, and I'm also going to just take a neutral pink blush. I don't think I show the brand, but I'm pretty sure I'm just using a terracotta blush as a single blush. That's why I didn't show it. And I'm just going to place this all over my cheeks. Then I'm taking the color called Half Red from MAC Cosmetics and then lining my lips. She does have a fuller lip shape, and we're gonna slightly overline a bit to give me a slightly bigger lip. I really love Half Red by MAC because you can kind of build this color. You can make it more natural, or you can make it less vibrant by kind of just tapping it in, kind of making it look like Pillow Talk by Charlotte Tilbury. Then I'm going to take Twig and then kind of just pat it in, because if you go full force with this lipstick, it's going to straight up look like a plum color. So that's why you see me kind of wiping it off, because I felt like now the look was overdone. And then I took a little bit of this Tarte lipstick. It's just kind of like a brown lipstick, and I feel like that gave it the exact finish that she has in the movie. So as you can tell, we do not have the same hair color at all. But the first look I'm going to do is when she barely gets her hair blown out. Super simple. You just kind of need to have straight hair with the ends kind of curved in, and tuck your hair behind the ears, and then you'll have that look that she has. I am wearing my school uniform. I really love it. It's super easy to do, and everyone will know who you are too if you were to wear this for Halloween. The next look is when she has her hair up in like the two kind of like, it's not pigtails because you could tell it's pinned away from her face, but I thought it was a super cute look, and I find myself wearing this nowadays. I remember how I was saying in one of my old videos that I felt like in the early 2000s they kind of went with the whole 50s look but kind of done it up a bit. I think that's what it is, except they put their own twist on it. I don't know, it's just kind of like a conspiracy theory, but that's what we do. We recycle looks. So that's it, and you can imagine it if I were a brunette and with a more natural look. But I wasn't about to take my makeup off for this. Now I'm going to show you her more tussled look when she first gets her makeover. I'm going to flip my hair to the side and use a really wide curling iron. I think this is a 1.5 inch. Don't use anything too curled unless your hair is like stick straight and can't be curled by something like this, because you want those big bouncy waves. Like I feel like they gave her like a 90s blowout, because this was the early 2000s. So they definitely gave her a 90s blowout. You just kind of want to hold the wand there. Like I said, I really am taking my time in this video to explain, because I feel like I have not been doing that enough. It's just been like curling my hair, bam, 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 we're done. And you guys kind of don't know what I'm doing. So as you can see here, I'm not fast forwarding the clips too much. This is real time, and I'm just using the 1.5 inch barrel. And I also have my straightener to kind of fix some pieces. Like my 1.5 inch barrel curling iron isn't going to do that, as you can tell. So I'm just kind of helping by flipping my hair a little bit. And you don't want to get too tousled, because you could tell that her hair was kind of straight in the back and they just curled the fronts. So that's what you see me doing here. And I'm all ready. I did add some hairspray. I guess that footage got deleted, but this is how the hair looks. Just imagine it, if I was a brunette, it would look more like Anne Hathaway. So that is it. Now on to taking the makeup off. I know this is weird, but I am using this Juicy to Cleanse Cold Extraction and Compression Water Wash Balm. So to be a princess, you have to have princess skincare routine, right? So I am just gently removing my makeup. This is obviously on a different day, you guys, but I thought I would combine the video because this is my skincare routine. So I wanted to use my skincare routine as well in this princess video. So I just wipe all my makeup off and using my Calming Care Cleansing Gel to Foam Cleanser. I forgot the word for a second. I was like, what am I doing? I'm just going to wash my face, get rid of all the impurities. I also forgot to mention that all of these products are from YesStyle in their facial cleansers and skincare section. They have amazing skincare products, things that really reduce pores and help with acne. Of course, I do have a coupon code. It is Nicole in all caps. That'll save you money, and all links will be down below. The thing I've been using every day is this tea tree pore toner. It is amazing. It really does shrink your pores. I have seen a drastic improvement in my pores. And to finish it off, I do use this soothing serum, and it leaves my skin feeling really tight and nice and perfect, and I love it. And it is the greatest skincare routine for a princess. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.